Tired of fumbling for your wallet at the pump? Discover the future of gas payments with Google Pay at Exxon Mobil. First, ensure you have the Google Pay app installed on your smartphone and that your preferred payment card is already added if not. Tap the Payment tab, and then the plus button to add a new card. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely link your credit or debit card. Next, download the official Exxon Mobil app, open it, and navigate to the payment section. Look for an option to add a payment method, or specifically, Add Plus Card. This is where we link your Gpay. Select Google Pay as your payment option. You'll then be prompted to authorize the connection within the Google Pay app. Agree to the terms and conditions. This seamless integration allows your saved Google Pay details to be used directly within the Exxon Mobil app, making it incredibly convenient. Now, heading to the pump is a breeze. Open your Exxon Mobil app and select your preferred station. Tap on the option to begin fueling, and your Gpay payment method will be ready to go. Choose your desired fuel grade and the amount you wish to purchase. When prompted to pay, simply select Google Pay. You'll see your saved cards from Google Pay displayed. Confirm your selection within the app. Then, simply hold your phone near the contactless payment reader on the pump. A quick tap and you're done. No need to insert cards or touch anything beyond your phone. Google Pay uses tokenization for secure transactions, meaning your actual card numbers are never shared with the retailer, adding an extra layer of security to your purchases. You'll receive a confirmation of your transaction directly on your phone and in your Google Pay history. It's that simple and secure. So next time you're at Exxon Mobil, skip the wallet and refuel with the speed and security of Google Pay. It's the smart way to pay for gas.